Good morning, Zimbabwe. This is why Mukanya Chiwenga's declaration struck like thunder. Even if it's my own children, let them face the law. That is the leadership Zimbabweans have been starving for. A leader who understands what drug warfare requires: fearlessly, ruthless, uncompromising justice. Zanapina mashoko atona kuti in VP Constantino Chiwenga's speech erutendera panguva ina chatika zvigananda yaita kuti faction aiwa iri kuopposite 2030 ipurudze ifare iti Chiwenga aiwa yekani waro ndobva subscribe like wataomba icon tivira panguva ino anobuda chienda mberi achiti if that standard were applied nationally, half the so-called bingers Zodwa Mukandla, Charity Mukande, Telishungwaya, Walter Magaya, Tanya Muchunguri, Emerson Jr., Tapio Mangujiga, Ring Leader, Akusira, Mnangagwa, Wicknell, and Joachim Chivayo, who boast, flaunt riches, and parade themselves while destroying the future of the nation, would already be facing the harshest penalties available under the law. The public's anger is justified when people believe that the rich, connected, and loud makers operate above the law, while officers at ZVAITWA themselves are remourned to be compromised. Trust collapses. What Zimbabwe needs is not a polite reform, but a full peg of corrupted structures, a rebuilding of policing on competence, integrity, and loyalty to citizens, not to clans, tribes, or political patronage. Until then, every arrest is a theater, every raid a performance. Zimbabwe is done with cowards, done with protectors of criminality, done with the system built to shield the elite. While youths rot in corners of townships, we demand a nation where no one is untouchable, no one is above the law, no one escapes justice, no one must be untouchable, no one must be above the law. Zimbabwe must choose justice over silence, now, not tomorrow. Kana tichiti Mukanya Chiwenga kuvanhu, do not let that blade of justice cut through every syndicate, every protector, every corrupt officer, every enabler, zvese pasina kusarudza. Only then will Zimbabwe rise again. Ndomashoko anobuda itaurwa panguva inoposta vhidhiyo raVP Constantino Chiwenga rine address munoriona muvhidhiyo inotevera. Pinda comment section medu nzomufuro aimoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.